Joanna Wilson here, Team Tanfoglio USA. I have two new guns that are coming out from Tanfoglio, the Force Duty and the Force Duty Tactical. These guns are both polymer frame guns. The Force Duty Tactical comes with a mag well. You can also see that it comes with a 1/2 inch by 28 threaded barrel that can be used for suppressors. It has the rapid sight here where you can affix a RMS-C footprint optic, or you can utilize just the iron sights. The front sights are interchangeable. These guns are used great for LEO, military, or just the average person that likes to get out to the gun range and spend some time behind the gun. You'll find these guns are wonderful. They come in 9mm, 40, 10mm, and 45 ACP.
Hi, I'm Casey Reed from Tanfoglio. We've already talked about the Tanfoglio Force Duty Tactical, so today we're going to give it a try on the range. So I just shot the Tanfoglio Force Duty Tactical. My initial impressions are it shoots very similar to my competition Stock 2. Even though it has a polymer frame, it's very light, it still shoots very flat. I really do like the trigger on this gun, as well as the mag well for ease of reloading. And once again, it fits any style dot you want on it, so you can outfit it however you want.